Let's torch it.
Previously on Veritasium, we learned how Hans Goldschmidt discovered that a metal oxide like rust can react with aluminum powder to produce pure liquid metal. Reactions of this type are known as thermite reactions. Initially, thermite found limited applications, repairing heavy machinery in remote locations. Its much more common use, the one where it's widely employed today, took a bit more convincing.
There is one sound that everyone associates with railroads. This is the sound of train wheels passing over the join between one rail and the next. In the early days of railroads, steel mills produced rails that were around 12 meters long. Then, out in the field, these were bolted together using fish plates.
That would create these little gaps between the pieces of rail.